Welcome to the Canton Fair, a legendary event, one of China's largest and most historic trade exhibitions, first opening its doors way back in 1957. Every edition spans an impressive 3 full weeks, showcasing everything from groundbreaking technologies to delicious food products and all sorts of goods popular on e-commerce platforms. But let's zoom into week 1, dedicated to cutting-edge tech and consumer electronics. This is where innovation meets practicality, especially fascinating when it comes to service robots, automation, and mechanical engineering marvels. Let's take a closer look. Deep Robotics truly stole the spotlight with their robotic dog, Light 3. Sure, Light 3 charmed crowds with its playful tricks, but the real excitement surrounded their latest marvel, the Lynx M20. This isn't your everyday robot, it's the world's first wheeled industrial robot designed specifically to tackle extreme environments. And believe me, it delivered an extraordinary performance. Footage shows the Lynx M20 gliding effortlessly over almost every terrain, with incredible agility and power. It easily squeezes through tight spaces just 50 centimeters wide, climbs stairs, and conquers obstacles up to 80 centimeters tall. Reaching speeds of up to 18 kilometers per hour and tackling slopes as steep as 45 degrees, this robust machine thrives even in extreme temperatures, from a freezing -20 degrees to scorching highs of 50 degrees Celsius. Weather-resistant with IP66 protection, it carries up to 15 kilograms and weighs a manageable 33 kilograms, battery included. Plus, its Pro version features autonomous charging, precise mapping, smart navigation, and sophisticated positioning capabilities. Next, the charming humanoid robots named Qingbao, crafted by Shanghai Robot Engine, gracefully captivated visitors once again. With their lifelike appearance and smooth, natural movements, these elegant androids continue to enchant attendees year after year. Designed for interactive roles, they seamlessly engage in conversation, provide information, and participate in events. Equipped with advanced sensors and sophisticated AI, Qingbao robots are perfectly suited for customer service, education, and entertainment, smoothly adapting to real-world interactions. Padbot showcased an entire robotic ecosystem for modern living and hospitality. These service robots have diverse roles, from welcoming guests and delivering items to patrolling properties and entertaining visitors. The standout X3 reception robot confidently greets and guides guests independently. The agile W2 delivery robot skillfully navigates between floors, carrying packages securely. Meanwhile, the lively P3 model delights visitors with dance performances, and the friendly T2 robot thoughtfully interacts and educates children through playful engagement.
Under the hood, the Unitree G1 runs on advanced brushless servo motors, giving it fluid, human-like movements. Unlike the shuffling steps of older robots, the G1 walks naturally, balances on one leg while holding a box, and carries up to 5 kilograms in each hand. It operates autonomously for up to 2 hours on a single charge. Even more impressive, it comes with an open software development kit, letting developers build custom apps, teach it new skills, and seamlessly integrate it into real-world workflows. And here's the game changer. You can buy one online like you'd order a smart TV. That changes everything. China isn't just innovating, it's implementing. While American corporations tinker in labs, China is scaling fast. And with that speed comes concern, especially from Washington, where officials worry about losing ground in a field with military and strategic implications. Reports suggest China is already testing military-grade humanoids, variants of the G1, equipped for surveillance, tactical coordination, and even casualty evacuation. This development has left U.S. generals asking a chilling question. Is China building a robot army the world isn't prepared to counter? What once sounded like sci-fi is now being tested on real training grounds. But there's a silver lining. This fierce competition is pushing innovation worldwide. Inspired by China's progress, other countries are stepping up, investing more in robotics, lowering cost, and accelerating development. Within the next 2 to 3 years, we could see humanoids entering jobs in security, logistics, healthcare, and even retail. Laugh all you want at the idea of a robot serving you coffee. In a few years, that robot might be greeting you every morning at your favorite cafe. The Unitree G1 is more than just a robot. It's a signpost of where we're headed. It represents how fast Chinese engineering is progressing and how quickly advanced tech is becoming mainstream. Today, it's just a humanoid helper. But in 5 years, it might replace your office assistant, your cleaner, even your delivery guy. And in 10 years, it could be something far more intelligent, something living alongside us, not as tools, but as a new kind of being.
So the real question isn't if robots like these will reshape our world, it's who will shape them first.
Who will set the rules? Who will control the hardware, the software, the updates? Because if China continues at this pace, the rest of the world has very little time, not just to catch up, but to stay relevant in an era where the battlefield isn't just physical, it's digital, it's intelligent, it's already here.
For years, we've seen robotic prototypes flaunting their progress, walking, gesturing, following simple commands. But none have truly crossed into the realm of practical, everyday usability. That is, until now. Out of nowhere, a robot from China appears, not just walking, but running, squatting, flipping, manipulating objects with ease. It responds to its environment, understands voice commands, and moves with a grace that roboticists around the world have only dreamed of. A humanoid robot that's not just mechanically capable, but powered by artificial intelligence sophisticated enough to learn, adapt, and even work as part of a coordinated team. This isn't evolution, it's a revolution. Unitary Robotics, previously known for its quadrupedal robots, has taken a bold leap forward. The G1 is compact, weighing only 35 kilograms, but don't let its size fool you. With 23 degrees of freedom and fluid mobility in its arms, legs, and neck, it performs complex tasks with astonishing precision, from opening doors and picking up objects to gently holding an egg without cracking it. Even under external pressure, the G1 maintains balance. But its physical capabilities are just one side of the story. What really sets it apart is its intelligence. The G1 features a computer vision system that maps 3D environments, recognizes objects and faces, and handles unpredictable scenarios with ease. It doesn't just wait for instructions. Place it in a new office, and it will begin to learn the layout, understand routines, and optimize its tasks over time. All of this is made possible through cutting-edge AI that allows the G1 to evolve on its own. Now, while the US, Japan, and South Korea have been racing for robot dominance, China has quietly leapfrogged ahead without billion-dollar budgets, flashy keynotes, or Elon Musk-sized media campaigns. What's more shocking, this robot could cost less than an iPhone Pro Max. Imagine a warehouse, hospital, or military base with not one, but dozens or hundreds of these intelligent machines working side by side. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a very real future. So real, in fact, that the Pentagon has already held closed-door briefings to assess the implications. While Western giants are still polishing their prototypes, China is deploying humanoids into logistics, security, and manufacturing right now. This shift isn't just about who builds the best robot, it's about who brings them to the world first. And with the G1, China may have pulled ahead for good. Visitors entering the exhibition were warmly welcomed by lifelike humanoid robots, showcasing breathtaking advances in artificial intelligence and robotics. Notably, Nia, a bionic interactive robot, delighted attendees with her friendly demeanor and incredibly realistic facial expressions. Nia smoothly interacted with guests, answered questions, and performed gestures such as waving, giving thumbs up, and shaking hands. Equipped with advanced facial motors, speech recognition, and decision-making capabilities, Nia and her counterparts hold vast potential in education, public service, and companionship roles. Kimai introduced an innovative concept for smart speakers, featuring enchanting, mystical characters integrated into their design. Their lineup includes large and smaller models, each featuring the same magical woman figure. Kimai also developed a highly praised robotic companion designed for pets, providing interactive games, treat-based rewards, and allowing pet owners real-time video and two-way voice interaction. The fair featured an astonishing calligraphy robot from Ro, based in Jin Shandong Province. With high-precision sensors, the robot replicated human handwriting pressure and stroke patterns flawlessly, meticulously creating beautiful Chinese calligraphy. Each finished piece was displayed alongside its workspace, with staff diligently replacing paper for each new masterpiece. Beyond impressive limb coordination, the robot's subtle facial expressions like nodding and frowning added a remarkably lifelike touch. Thank you for joining. Canton Robotics was another highlight at the fair, showcasing innovative service robots designed to greet guests, deliver items, and clean spaces. Remarkably, they introduced a suitcase-style robot that can carry not just luggage, but even people, controllable via a single mobile app. Although their star humanoid robot, X-Men R1, wasn't present, its capabilities are promising. It's designed to interact politely with guests, serve food, clear tables, and coordinate operations in hospitality settings. Canton Robotics emphasizes human-like teamwork among robots, which significantly enhances their real-world applicability. China's passion for the board game Go led to an exciting development, a dedicated robot equipped with AI capable of defeating skilled human players. For those confident in their Go skills, this robot not only competes, but also teaches the game to anyone eager to learn.
Alpha Robotics showcased its robust service robots at the fair, leveraging extensive experience backed by over 300 patents, 4 research centers, and exports to 75 nations. Key models include Timo, a multilingual robot greeter capable of guiding and answering visitor queries in 40 languages, and Panda, a precise, maneuverable delivery robot adept at navigating crowds thanks to its sophisticated LiDAR system and cameras. Alpha Robotics solutions effectively support sectors like hospitality, healthcare, retail, and even governmental operations. Minion-like robots also made an appearance, tailored specifically for retail and e-commerce environments. These intelligent machines expertly sort packages, navigate warehouses, and integrate seamlessly with shuttle systems for efficient logistics. Handling loads between 12 to 30 kilograms and operating reliably at temperatures down to minus 30 degrees Celsius. They're ideal for frozen food transportation. AKA Robotics brought impressive industrial robots named Wall Hacker, engineered specifically to tackle tasks deemed dangerous or challenging for humans. These autonomous machines expertly remove rust, clean surfaces, sand, and perform inspections and painting on complex structures, such as ship hulls and wind turbines. Equipped with ultra-high water pressure, magnetic grips, and computer vision, Wall Hacker robots confidently navigate vertical surfaces with impeccable stability and precision. K2 Tech unveiled agricultural solutions specifically designed to boost efficiency in harvesting fruits and vegetables. Their flagship robot, aptly named K2, proved especially relevant for China's growing demand for farm automation. Expertly harvesting tomatoes and adaptable to various other crops, these robots offer substantial enhancements to agricultural productivity.
Robotics, renowned for its humanoid robots in China's automotive factories, shifted gears slightly this year, introducing innovative personal-use robots like smart lawnmowers and intelligent pool cleaners. Interestingly, their trademark humanoid robots were notably absent, raising curiosity given their growing revenue potential. Nevertheless, significant industrial orders continued, with automaker Dongfeng Lu Motor preparing to purchase 20 UB Walker S1 robots within a month. Additionally, Robotics sealed a significant commercial deal with Media Group, despite Media's humble description of it as modest. Deeply committed to innovation, Robotics reinvests nearly half its earnings into R&D. As of late 2024, the company impressively held 2,680 active patents globally and contributed significantly to the development of 40 international robotics standards. Then there's Magic Lab, back again with futuristic humanoid robots. Just last year, this innovative startup introduced visions of fully automated hotels and malls operated entirely by androids. Now, their impressive third-generation robot, MagicBot, is in the spotlight. MagicBot effortlessly navigates complex environments using advanced spatial awareness, LiDAR technology, RGB cameras, and ultrasonic sensors. Designed for rough terrains, MagicBot handles payloads up to 40 kilograms, offers 42 degrees of freedom, lifts weights of up to 20 kilograms, and operates continuously for 5 intensive hours on a single charge. Its capabilities in running, precise manipulation, and overall agility left attendees truly amazed. Lastly, no Canton Fair experience would be complete without the sensational performances from Unitree, the rising stars in humanoid robotics, famous for breathtaking stunts and even robot boxing matches. As always, the Canton Fair offers an exhilarating glimpse into the future, showcasing groundbreaking innovations that not only capture imaginations, but also pave the way for remarkable advancements in technology and daily life. Preparations for the Canton Fair brought us some truly astonishing updates, stepping firmly into the future. Unitree's G1 robots have now opened their own factory dedicated entirely to manufacturing even more advanced robots. The newly inaugurated facility in Ningbo covers an impressive 10,000 square meters, responding to increasing global demand driven by a compelling combination of functionality and affordability. The plant is set to produce both humanoid robots and robotic dogs, with Unitree handling key components like motors and final assembly internally, alongside collaborations with external suppliers. Joining us. If you enjoyed this insight into future tech, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Stay tuned for even more astonishing technologies and robots coming your way soon.